Meaning of Fe.
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 FE. FA is an abbreviation or acronym that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In a scientific or engineering context, FE can refer to finite element, a numerical method used for solving partial differential equations. In finance, FE can stand for fundamental analysis and economic indicators, a type of stock analysis. In physics, Fe can refer to Fermi energy, the energy level separating the occupied and unoccupied electron states in a solid. The meaning of Fa is highly dependent on the context and application.